Angeline, congratulations! Good job!
3. Hi Angeline, congratulations sa piano performance mo. Good luck. 3.
Hi Angeline, congratulations. Good job.
3.
Love you! Congratulations, Angeline! Musta na sa'yo, tsaka sa mama mo? Congratulations, Angeline! Oh, sabihin mo pangalan mo, Ate Chen.
Anong pangalan ba?
Loy Angeline,
Ano, hindi nga ba natin?
Perform sa ano,
graduation.
Obey. Inunin mo pa yun eh.
congratulations.
Kayo no?
Oh, si Angeline! Yan, nakasok ka na rin.
Gabi.
Congratulations!
Bonjour! Congratulations!
US naman yun eh. 2, 3.
Hey! Let's drink to that! Congratulations! To you! Cheers!
1, 2, 3.
Let's drink to that!
Game po.
Congratulations! Welcome to the club!
High school pala. High school graduation pala. Tayo ulit. Congratulations na po si Angeline. Si Angeline po.
Angeline, kamusta ka na? We love you. Sana makita kita.
Hindi kinaintindihan, di mo mag-Tagalog yun.
Game po.
Angeline, gusto ko makita nagpipiano ka. Gusto ko rin marinig. Ang galing mo pala. O yun.
3.
Hey! Congratulations!
Good job!
Let's drink to that!
3.
Isa pa.
I'm sorry if you don't understand them. I'll be the one to translate. Okay? Let's say, mabuhay! From the Philippines!
Right.
Let's drink to that again!
Dapat sinasagot mo kayo, yes, yaya, ganito ka lang.
Tutugan mo naman ako. I love you. Yun na.
3.
Hi, Ate Angeline! Congratulations sa graduation mo. We love you.
2, 3.
Congratulations, Angeline. Nanay Lolito. Nanay Lolito.
Okay po.
Congratulations, Angeline. We wish you all the best for your new journey in life.
Hi, it's me, Uncle Bing, your dad's cousin. Congratulations for job well done. For finishing your studies, and hoping for more studies that you've been looking forward. And I want to thank you for all the best that you gave and happiness that your mom and your dads, how they feel right now. And more power. And I want to thank mostly your dad and your mommy for all the support that they gave to you. And I want to thank also your dad and your mom for the little gift
Thank you.
they gave to my only daughter, Lisel. Cousin, thank you very much. May all the best and for continuing and never stop supporting your daughter for the hard work that you gave. And God bless and regards to all the tropa there. Thank you. Mwah, mwah, chip, chip.
Take care always and God bless Angeline.
Mwah, mwah, chip, chip.
Congrats, Angeline!
Okay.
Continue making your parents proud of you because I'm sure you gave them extreme happiness.
Yeah.
Ninang Melba and Ninang Willie, thank you po. Congrats,
Thank you po.
batch 2014. Take care po. Hope to see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Congratulations, Angeline, from Tito Aris.
Hi, Angeline. How are you? Congratulations. Ay, hindi mo sinabi, Tita. Hi, Melba. Angeline. Hindi ninyo kasi sinasabi eh. Tita Cora to. Melba pala yun. Yan eh. Nagapunin, no?
Congratulations!
One more time.
Congratulations sa inyong graduation. Your name?
Oh, hindi na nagsalita yung dalawa. Abiba, salamat sa mga damit na pinapadala mo.
Thank you po sa mga damit.
Ready pa kaming tumanggap.
God bless. Good luck.
Eh, tita ma, bakit?
Ate Mel. Kaya lang kayong bibisita ulit dito. See you.
Bye!
Congratulations po. Ako po si Kiara.
Oh, may boyfriend ka na? Single? Age? Ano? Ate, paturo mag-piano.
Bye po. Ingat. Congratulations, Ate Angie.
Kaya ko ilabas yan, pero that time before na parang
Ate Angie.
file na
Ako
eh.
nga pala school.
Anak ko yung...
Anak ka po ni...
Video, kita kami hanggang 30.
Ingat ka. Love you.
Yan ang kaya namin.
Bye-bye.
Yan, lagpas na. Congrats, Angeline. Regards kayo nyo, nila Tita Meta.
Saan yung...
Okay na ba?
Shot! Action! Yeah.
Congrats, Angie.
Be a good girl always. Be a good girl always. Oh, tamo, sumasali siya, oh. Oh, sumasali siya.
Ingat kayo.
Oh, nakikigbati siya, no? Oh. Ay, niyak na pala.
Di ba nainipan dyan? Sando na lang, sando.
Mamaya magkawala.
Ito. Sabi mo, Max. Tumisot mo yung bilbil mo, oh. Kadiri ka. T-shirt ka nga.
Sabi mo sexy pa yan, no? Baby, balik ka ba? Ano ba? Sabi mo. Ay, lang mo. Si Ate Maxine, no? Kakausapin ko daw niya. May tatanong daw siya sa'yo. Maganda ka ba? Maganda ka daw ba? Ay, maganda ba yun? Sabi niya, hindi mo ba nakita? Maganda ka ba? Sabi sa hindi mo ba nakikita?
Hi, hello, Angeline, Melba, Willie. Congratulations kay Angeline. Be a good girl. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Marami ka pang mararating. God bless. Bye-bye.
Sino pahawakin mo yun? Hindi pa siya muna salita. Ate, kamo, ate. Show your
Ate, say hi.
Hi, kamo. Pagsi may balon.
Hi. Say hi.
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 Ate, kamo, ate.
Hi,
Ate.
Hi, ate.
Hi, ate. O, ikaw na
Say hi. Hi, Angeline. Congratulations. May you continue to be a blessing to your mom and dad. And,
Nag-English ka.
English speaking to eh. Yun
Pakita mo yan kay ate.
God bless. Momo, chup chup. Momo,
Mama,
chup
chup-chup. O,
chup.
ikaw din. Mama, chup-chup. Dali.
We miss you and love you. Regards to Tita Ma and Tito Willie.
Okay.